Hey everybody, I'm Amanda the G, and it's time to get crafty again. For today's bullshit craft, we are going to make something out of this can, which I have filled with water and frozen, which is why the bottom beveled out. I didn't really expect that to happen because it totally didn't put in a ton of water. You need it to be frozen in order to poke holes in it, because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna poke holes in this can. We're gonna poke holes in this in a pattern, and that way you can put like a candle in it, obviously not just like flat on the bottom because, you know, metal, and then it'll like shine out through the candle. A towel to stabilize it, probably, I'm thinking, because that's a cylinder. A hammer and a nail. Now I actually don't have a nail. I looked everywhere in my house. All I have are like little photo frame nails that are not gonna work. So I have this giant screw thing and this other smaller screw thing, and if these don't work, then we will switch to my drill. Everything I saw online also said work on this for 10 minutes and then refreeze it. Do you know how much I fucking want to do that? Not at all. I'm gonna start with the smaller one because I might have better luck with the smaller one. Ooh, that shoots ice oh my god, look at all the ice flying. I can make ice shoot everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. This works. You don't need a nail, you can use a screw. I don't know what shape I'm making. I just put a hole in it. I wanted to make sure the holes would work, and they do. I'm gonna put another hole in this, hole in this, hole in this. Gonna sing a song as I put a hole in this. Why is this so much harder? You really don't have to push this in very deep because you just really need it to make a hole. Why is there so much ice coming out of this? It's like a cannon. It's an ice cannon. I've decided to not make a real pattern in this. I know, big shocker. Big shocker, because I love me some patterns. But I'm just going to poke some random holes, and I'm using the grooves of the can to help me with that. Come out of there, you butt-tard! You just have to make sure your hole is going into the ice so that it goes all the way through the can. Beyond that, it really doesn't matter. And also, this is going to spill my wine, so I gotta drink some of my wine so it doesn't spill. Priorities! Ow! I'm totally starting to bend my little thingamabobber. Look at that. Look. It's bent. I just realized that I probably should mention something about safety, because I'm drinking wine and using a hammer on something that's ice in a very unsafe situation and not at all supervised, so you probably shouldn't do this. If you do this project, you should probably not be drunk, or you should probably have supervision, or potentially both. Let's have more wine. This is so bad at this point, I don't even know if I can use it anymore. I'm gonna use the bigger one. I don't even care if the hole's slightly bigger because I can't use that one anymore. Okay, this bigger one might have been a better idea because it's clearly imparting more force through it and working way better than the little one did. What I have here is a glorious little thing of just random little holes. Now, theoretically, you could wait for fucking ever for this ice to melt, and then you'd have your little luminary thing. Or you can just say, fuck that noise, and go put it under fucking hot water, which is what I'm about to do. At this point in your project, before you finish your luminary, you're gonna want to finish your wine. I just ran this under hot water, and all the ice is out of it now. And for those observant people, you will notice there's a Band-Aid here. Don't do what the fuck I just did. So what I did is, there's like some of these where the metal was still attached and it didn't quite like fall all the way off, so I was trying to pull it off a little bit, and I severely cut my thumb, like really badly cut my thumb. So if you were wondering on that last drum crafting why I had a Band-Aid like part of the way through, here's why, because I filmed these back to back and oh my god, I just really hurt myself. It really hurts. It's like bleeding through the Band-Aid really hurts. Don't do that, okay? Don't take the metal in here with your actual like just bare finger and move it, because you will cut yourself and it will really hurt. Here's our finished project, our little luminary. Ooh, little luminary. See all the lights? Fancy. So this is a little project that costs you all of like nothing. I mean, the can comes from a can that you got food in, if you get food in cans, which almost everyone does. The nail, okay, I did lose one nail that died. And then you just fill it with water, freeze it, put little holes in it, and then you've got yourself a little fancy dancy luminary. And you could paint this if you really wanted to, but fuck that noise. Maybe do this project sober. Maybe don't play around with the cut little shards, cause owie. So that's it for this project. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I make a new video every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. I'm gonna go put a second band-aid on this probably because, oh my god, there's blood. I can't show you because YouTube probably won't like that. And you probably won't like that. But oh my god, blood.